Is your Samsung's touchscreen acting a little sluggish or unresponsive? Don't let a faulty touchscreen ruin your mobile experience. Let's get it working perfectly. First, we'll use a built-in diagnostic tool. Open the phone app on your Samsung device. Once the dial pad appears, tap in the following sequence on your keypad: *#0#. This will immediately open a hidden diagnostic menu. You'll see various test options like red, green, blue, receiver, and touch. Tap on the touch option to begin our primary test. Now, you'll see a grid across your screen. Your goal is to draw a continuous line that covers the entire grid without lifting your finger. As you draw, you'll see the lines light up where your finger makes contact. Make sure you cover every single part of the screen, including the edges and corners. If the entire screen lights up smoothly without any breaks or missed spots, your touchscreen is responding perfectly. If you encounter any areas where the screen doesn't register your touch, or the line breaks, it might indicate dead spots or responsiveness issues. Sometimes, a simple case cleaning can resolve minor input problems. Ensure your screen is clean and free of smudges or debris. Gently wipe your screen with a clean, dry microfiber cloth, paying attention to the edges where touch might be less reliable. If the issue persists after cleaning and retesting, you may need to explore advanced troubleshooting or consider professional service. By following these steps, you can confidently test your Samsung's touchscreen and ensure it's performing at its best.